Hey, how we doing today, guys? So today I'm going to do a review of the SkullCandy Hesh 3 wireless headphones. I've been using these headphones for about 6 months now, and I've got to say that at the moment, they're my favorite headphones. They're probably the best headphones I've had over the last couple of years. And you can pick these headphones up on the SkullCandy website or at Target for about 80 bucks. But if you do go to different retailers, prices may vary. I've seen them at Walmart and maybe on Amazon for about 99 bucks. But these prices are subject to change, so just keep that in mind. So today I just wanted to go over 4 points on the headphones. I wanted to go over the build quality, the media controls, the battery, and then the sound quality. So I wanted to get started with the build quality on these headphones. The Hesh 3s are made with a plastic material that has a matte soft touch finish on it. The only metal on these headphones is in the extenders, like a small aluminum rail on the sides. And what that means is that these headphones are really light. They're made with memory foam cushions on each ear cup that are super plush, super thick, feel really good. And then one of those memory foam cushions right up at the top. And they're super lightweight. I mean, you could wear these things for 10 hours plus and not feel them on your head, not have any pain in your ears or any fatigue from wearing the headphones. These headphones are really sturdy. I've dropped them a couple of times and they're still performing like they're brand new. They don't really have any scratches or marks on them. Which brings me to my next point. These headphones don't come with a case, and that's probably my biggest gripe about these headphones. But I mean, with everything else that you're getting, I really wouldn't I wouldn't complain about it too much. They have a really minimalistic design with these SkullCandy logos embossed on the sides, and the same for the ear indicators on the inside of the headphones. They come in several color options like blue, red. I have the black ones here today. So on the bottom right ear cup, you've got a micro USB port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a mic, and then you've got the media controls. Now the media controls are topped with a rubber or soft plastic material. You've got a plus button, a minus button, and then you've got this center power button that also doubles as a assistant if you want to activate your Google Assistant or Siri. These buttons aren't very tactile, though they're really distinct because the buttons are raised and you can feel the shape of each button. Despite them being made out of that plastic or rubber material that's on the top, they're not hard to press, they're not hard to find. I haven't missed a single input. They're very well placed and super responsive. So on to the functions. If you hold down the center power button, that'll turn the headphones on, and then you'll get a voice notifying you that the headphones have turned on and that they're in pairing mode or that they're connected. Once you connected these headphones to a device after the first time, the pairing is almost instant after that initial setup. And I mean, it's super quick. It's the fastest connecting pair of headphones that I've ever owned. So on the plus and minus buttons, you would press the plus button one time to turn the volume up, and then press the minus button one time to turn the volume down. And if you wanted to go to the next or previous track, you'd hold that plus button and go to the next track for about 2 seconds, and then you'd hold that minus button for about 2 seconds to go to the previous track. Now that center button also acts as an activation button for the voice assistant, whether it be Bixby or Google or Siri. You just double tap that button real quick and then the voice assistant will come up. Next, I want to talk about the battery life. So these headphones have a 22-hour battery life totaled out. And one of my favorite features about these headphones is that they have a rapid charge or a quick charge feature. So if you charge these headphones up for about 5 minutes, you get 90 minutes of playtime. And then if you charge them up for about 10 minutes, you get 4 hours of playtime. And after owning these headphones for about 6 months, that's super accurate, if not, underplayed, because I know I can charge these headphones up for about 10 minutes and definitely use them all day long. These headphones easily last you all week. Like you won't have to do several charges a week to get these headphones, to stay on all week long. Lastly, and the most important part, is the sound quality. In short, these headphones sound great. They sound amazing. The sound is really clear. The highs and mids are nice. They're not tinny or washed out. And the bass is on point. The bass is amazing. I swear. That's one of my favorite things about SkullCandy headphones. The bass is always really good, but it's not like overpowering or muddy bass. It sounds just really good, and it's nice and punchy. And I think these headphones can suit any type of music as well. I listen to a pretty wide range of music. Though I will say one thing about the sound quality is that the sound isn't super three-dimensional. It's more of I would say a 2D sound. It's not super surrounding. Despite that, these headphones still sound amazing. They sound great. For sound quality, I'd easily give them a 9 out of 10 or a 10 out of 10 any day. Overall, I do want to rate these headphones a 10 out of 10. They check all the boxes. They're comfortable, they're built nice, they look nice, the sound quality is amazing, and the Bluetooth is just on point. Never had any problems connecting or disconnecting these headphones. Alright guys, and that wraps up the video. If you guys have any questions or comments, just comment down below. I'd appreciate a like on the video. Any new subscribers will also be welcome, so slap that subscribe button, hit that like button. And I am relatively new to YouTube, so if you guys have any ideas for how I could improve the channel, also let me know down in the comment section, and I'd appreciate the feedback. Thank you guys, have a good one.